Hey there! Is Mobile Legends taking up too much space on your iPhone? No problem at all. Today I'll walk you through a simple process to trim down Mobile Legends and clear up some storage space on your iPhone. Let's dive in. First things first, open up Mobile Legends. Then, give a gentle tap on the settings icon. Next up, find and tap the Network Test button located at the bottom of your screen. After that, it's time to switch over to the Clear Cache tab. From here, tap on the Clean button and then hit OK. Now, Mobile Legends will take care of clearing unnecessary cache and close the game for you. But hold on, we're not quite finished yet. Go ahead and open the game once more. Next, head back to the settings and tap on the Network Test button just like you did before. Then, switch over to the Clear Redundancy tab and give that Scan and Clean button a tap from the bottom of your screen. Now it will do a quick scan and remove any unnecessary data files hanging around. And there you have it, folks. That's all it takes to slim down Mobile Legends and free up space on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button. And if you have got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real quick. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!